My grandmother's recipe impressed everyone. In a bowl, add 600 grams of ground meat, a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 2 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of dried parsley, a chopped onion, parsley, and an egg to help bind it all together. Also, add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Now, mix everything very well with your hands until all the ingredients are well combined and look like they're going to be delicious. With the mixture ready, start shaping small balls, like mini meatballs. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. With the butter melted and hot, fry the meatballs, allowing them to brown well on one side before turning them to brown on the other. This process will seal the meat, making it juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Now, in another skillet, heat a bit of oil and set aside. Slice an onion. I'm sure you're going to love making and tasting this recipe at your home. Next, let's get the skillet ready. The aroma that starts spreading is simply irresistible. We'll need a peeled carrot, which we'll cut into half moons, just like I'm doing. Oh, and let me know which city you're watching from. Next, add the carrot to the skillet along with the onion. Then, cut 2 potatoes into medium cubes. Also, add them to the heat with our other ingredients. Stir well so that all the ingredients mix and become golden and tender. Now it's time for the bell pepper. We'll need half, cut into cubes and set aside. Cut a tomato into cubes as well. This will bring a lot more flavor to our recipe. Add the bell pepper and tomato to the heat as well. All these vegetables together create an incredible flavor base. Mix well and add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to prepare a delicious sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, salt, black pepper, oregano, paprika, and 200 milliliters of hot water. Mix all the ingredients well until smooth and set aside. Now with everything ready, add the fried meatballs. Then, pour the prepared sauce over everything. Let it cook for a few minutes, allowing all the flavors to blend and become even more intense. And there you have it. Look at this wonderful recipe. The meat is juicy and full of flavor, and the vegetables are cooked to perfection with a sauce that's simply divine. I'm sure this recipe from my grandmother will impress everyone. A big hug and see you next recipe.